Let me show you how to set up Namecheap hosting efficiently. Two options, $29.57 for 1 year or $44.57 for 2 years. 1 year gets you hosting for $22.88, plus your domain for $6.49 with the promo code. 2 years, $37.88 for hosting, plus $6.49 for the domain. Here's how to get it done. Click the link in the description. First thing, create your account and log in. This is important because promo codes only work when you're logged in. Once you're in, go to the domain section and click New Customers. You'll see the promo code displayed there. Copy it. You'll need it in a minute. Now go to the hosting section and click Shared Hosting. You'll see 3 plans. Stellar, 3 websites, 20 GB storage. This works for most people. Stellar Plus, unlimited websites and automatic backups. Good if you're planning to scale. Stellar Business, premium option with priority support. For established businesses, choose your term, 1 year or 2 years. Then add your domain name to your cart. Here's the key part. In your cart, find the promo code box. Paste the code you copied earlier and click Apply. Watch the domain price drops to $6.49. Check your total. Should be $29.57 for 1 year. Make sure you're not adding any extras. Domain privacy, website builder, and 24/7 support already included. Then check out. That's it. Your website is being set up. If you're testing something out, 1 year at $29.57 is low risk. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're building something long-term, 2 years at $44.57 gives you better value. A few key things to remember. Always create your account and log in before trying to get the promo code. The codes won't work otherwise. Choose yearly or 2-year billing, not monthly. Monthly costs $4.88 per month, which adds up to way more than the yearly rate. Everything you need is already included. Links in the description. The promo codes update regularly, so use that link to get the current pricing. That's the complete process. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.